Hi guys. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Depends on where you're watching this video from, right? Today we're not gonna be talking about any topic today. I'm not teaching you guys anything today. I'm not educating you on any topic today, right? I just want to show you the trades I took this week. Probably when you're seeing this video can be coming out next week. But as far as right now is concerned, I want to show you guys the trade I took this week. All right. So how I took the trade, how I analyzed the charts, and how I took all those trades. So now let's just go. I had a trade on BTC this week. Okay, I took a trade on BTC this week, right? So what did I do? I just go to my 4 hours. This is one day. I just go to my 4 hours time frame straight up. All right. I just minimize like this. I saw a breakout here. I just mark it here on 4 hours. All right. Then I'm just looking for, I was looking for a sell on this trend. Although we had a breakout here too. We had a BOS to the upside here, but something happened here. If you can check closely, we quickly had a minor change of character right here. All right. So we had a minor change of character, and what did I do? I just mark this place as what? As the protected eye, and I'm looking for a sell. Easy peasy, no stress. I was just looking for a sell, a very sharp sell. I can see this place as a liquidity. This side is the liquidity side, so I know price is going to take it out 100%. Then I just mark my order block right here. Sometimes I mark order block, sometimes I don't mark it. That is the fact. All right. Once I see a liquidity sitting somewhere while I'm analyzing the chart, I'm fine. I'll just be waiting for price to take out the liquidity. Then I'll just look for confirmation entry. Then I will sell. So when price goes to this other block right there, all right. When price goes to this other block right here, I just switch to the lower time frame. So I just switch to the lower time frame. Just go to my 15-minute time frame to look for confirmation entry on 15 minutes time frame. All right, easy peasy, no stress. Like I said, we had a breakout here already on the 4 hours time frame, whereby don't forget this was the protected eye as at that time. All right, I was looking at the financial market graph, and we had the liquidity here that I need market to clear. Then after I change of character, then I sell my market. Very simple as what? As ABC. So what happened again? Immediately price go here, we see a reaction. Price gave us a minor choke. Then after that minor choke, price gave us a what? A choke to the downside. A BOS to the downside. All right. After that, I wasn't even on chart that time. I wasn't on chart, but I've already marked everything down on my phone. All right, I already marked everything down on my phone, so I wasn't really on chart that time. So the time I came back to the chart, I see price has shifted this structure again to the downside. So luckily for me, I just sell immediately from this breaker block. Yeah, we have a breaker block here. All right, there was a breaker block right there, so I just sold from that breaker block. Let me even draw it out. All right, I told you guys this class is not this video is not for teaching. Okay, I just want to show you guys how I entered 1 or 2 trades this week. So I just put my stop loss here, right? Then I was targeting this low because I know this is a very weak low. All right, I know price is going to take it out 100%. That is a very weak low. Why? It is because the price was doing what? The price was selling. Okay, so I know this was a very weak low. Price supposed to take it out. All right, so I just do something like this, then I execute the trade. So that was how I took this trade on BTC this week. All right, so that was the trade I took on BTC. I had another trade on AUDNZD this week too. I had another trade on AUDNZD. First thing, I go to my 4 hours time frame. I look at what the chart is doing, what the price is doing on 4 hours. What can we all see? You can see the price is breaking structures to the upside. Okay, so we had that one there, we had another one here. All right, then I had this flow here. Then I can easily spot my liquidity. All right, sitting right here. Okay, this is a liquidity and this is also a liquidity. Then we have this extreme order block right here, which price ignored, as you all can see. All right, so immediately I saw the chart, I just analyzed the chart like this. I marked my recent breakout structure. I deleted this. I don't need that. The only one I need is this one. I just inscribe where liquidity is sitting. Then I just wait for price to do what? To come and switch out, to come and take out any of these liquidities. Alright, then if I see a confirmation entry, then I will just execute my trade. Alright, so after price might have taken out this liquidity, I'm always very at alert. Whenever price take out liquidity, I'm always very at alert. It is only when I'm busy, maybe doing something or another thing. Alright, so I'm always very at alert because I know since price has taken liquidity, anything can happen. Yeah, so I just go to my 1 hour time frame to look for a change of character. It's just a normal thing, you already know. Then I saw a change of character right here. As you all can see, price has been giving us what? A series of break to the downside, break to the downside, then break to the downside right here. Then I see a choke here. Alright. So immediately I see a choke here. I won't lie to you guys, I wasn't on the chart when I saw this choke. Alright. I wasn't really on the chart when I saw that choke. When this choke happened, I wasn't on the chart. So but when I came back on the chart to check what is happening at the chart, I've seen that price has already given me a choke somewhere here. Okay, so I just know this place is going to be my protected low, which is the swing low, right? I know price must not break this low again. All right, so the time I came online was when I saw price shifting structure on the 15-minute time frame. So I went back to my 15-minute time frame while I was on the chart. Then I saw I've already seen the price has given me a choke, but I need another kind of a confirmation entry. So I saw price shifting out this high, right, to the I saw price shifting out that high. Immediately I came back online. I saw price shifting out this high to the upside. Then I just mark this breaker block right here. Alright, I mark this breaker block, then I just place my buy limit from here, from this breaker block, then my stop loss below this low, then I just target the external range liquidity somewhere here, and that's all. So this was another trade I took this week. So I just target this external range liquidity, easy peasy, no stress. So whatever the price is doing after that is none of my business. Okay, I've already taken my own profit and I'm out of the chart. All right, so greediness is not allowed on the chart. So some people will be like, hey, but the market still flew to the upside, something like this. You should have leave it. I don't need to leave it. You know why? There is always entries on the chart. All right, there is always entries. There's no time you open your chart, you won't see setups. All right, just wait for your setups to be met. Okay, so when I see this change of character right here, immediately what did I do? I just put my buy limit here, right here, then my stop loss below this, then target the external liquidity. So that was how AUDNZD2 went. All right, so another one, I had a trade on gold too, right? I had a trade on gold. Right? So I had a trade on gold. First thing, I check my 4 hours time frame. I look at what the price is doing. All right, so this is gold, as you all can see. All right, so I've seen price shifting this low. So directly or indirectly, we are having a choke here on 4 hours time frame. All right, so but this analysis has even been done, like I think since 2 weeks ago already. All right, so I have already marked this on my phone. Then I know this sorry then I know this eye is going to be our protected eye. So fast forward to what happened this week. I've seen price shifting this low to the downside. So we have a choke here too, to the downside. So I've seen price shifting that low already to the downside too. Then what do I need? I know we have a protected eye here too. All right, so then I used to tell you guys, I wait for price to take out liquidity. Okay, I have a liquidity here, then there is a liquidity here too. All right, so immediately I see price taking out this liquidity, all I need is just for me to look for confirmation entry on my lower time frame. Okay, then I go to 1 hour when price might have shifted, when price might have taken out the liquidity right here. Then I go to my 1 hour time frame to look for what? To look for change of character or change in statement of delivery or market structure shift, whatever you call it in your region is okay. Okay, So then what happened? I see a choke here to the downside. All right, I saw a choke here to the downside early this week. There was a choke here, but I knew since price is going to be, since price is going to be opening, right? So this was the beginning of this week, right here. Price was opening right here as the beginning of the week. So I know a lot of things is going to happen on Monday because I don't used to trade on Mondays. All right, because of the noise in the chart on the on the chart. So I don't used to trade because of the noise. All right, of the price action. So I know a lot of things is going to happen. So I waited very well for me to see another kind of confirmation because I know this Monday is going to be somehow. All right, so I waited till another day. Then what happened again is that, to cut the long story short, I saw price taking out this recent high as a liquidity sweep. Then I saw price giving me a choke here. That is on 15 minutes. Okay, let me go to 15-minute time frame. So I saw price giving me a choke right there. All right, whereby since I've seen this choke, there's why I count this as a choke. All right, there is a reason why I count that as a choke, so don't get it twisted. All right, so after that choke, what happened again? I know that we have this high as our what, as our protected swing guy, whereby we have liquidities here that market supposed to take on this 15-minute time. These are liquidities that market supposed to take. Normally, if I want to sell immediately, I can sell from this breaker block, my stop loss above like this, then I target whatever I want to target. All right, but sometimes you have to be more conservative, okay, because you are risking your money. All right, you have to be more conservative. So after I have seen that, so price created another what, created another price created another low, whereby the price has not yet clear out this liquidity. So I know this was a scam. Yeah, I know this high was a scam. I know this high is going to turn to a liquidity because it was a scam. Normally price supposed to take out this liquidity, this internal range liquidity. Price supposed to take it out before breaking whatever low that wants to break, but fortunately price wasn't doing that, then break out from here. So it was a scam. All right, so I know something is going to happen. So immediately I see price now ranging from this high, taking this high out. Then although it was somehow complicated, don't let me lie to you guys, because this setup, this structure was not as straight as supposed to be, just like the other peers have analyzed. As you all can see, you can see it is not as straight as it's supposed to be. But once you understand market structure and liquidity, you don't really have a problem in analyzing the chart. All right, so but later on I later see price doing something more crazier after taking out this liquidity here. I see price changing trend again here. So I had another choke here, whereby we have this high as our protected high. Normally I supposed to have sold from this other block, pull my stop loss above this high, then target wherever I want to target, but I did not do that. I was still waiting because I know gold is very crazy. So I was still waiting for another kind of confirmation entry again. If I want to miss the trade, it is better for me to miss the trade than to enter aggressively without patience. All right, so I waited again for another choke to occur. Then I see another choke here. You can see I saw another choke here. So when I saw another choke here, this give me more, it gave me more, confidence to sell. At least I know if I should sell now and I see it stop loss, I know I'm gonna be fine, right? Because I see a lot of things before entering the trade. So I put my stop loss here. Then what do you need to do? You just have to target this low. This is the external range liquidity. So this was the external range liquidity that you're supposed to target normally. So I targeted this external range liquidity, and that was how I hit my TP. So that is how this thing goes on Forex. So on deriv, on synthetic indices on deriv, I had, I think, a few trades through this week on deriv. So let me go to deriv for you guys. So this is deriv. I don't have any trade on volatility 10. I think I had a trade on volatility 25 this week. Yeah, so I had a trade on volatility 25 this week. So this volatility 25, first thing first, my 4 hours time frame. All right, so this was the 4 hours time frame. I had a trade here, I had a breakout here, then I had my high right here. All right. So then I was waiting for price, to give me some kind of a confirmation entry to execute that trade. So I go to my 1 hour time frame. After I've seen price taking out some kind of liquidities, this is a liquidity, price took it out, this is a liquidity, this is a liquidity too. Wait, sorry, this is a liquidity too. So I was just waiting for price to take out any of the liquidity. Then when I see one or two to confirm my entry, then I execute the trade. So then from there I go to my 15-minute time frame to look for confirmation. Immediately I see price taking out liquidities, I'm always very very active. I'm always very very active. All right. So when I see price has been taking out the internal range liquidity, what was I supposed to be doing is for me to just calm down and look for a trade opportunity. So when I see price taking out this liquidity, I had this high then, but something happened there, something crazy happened there, something crazy happened. The reason why I sold this pair was because I've seen that market has taken out liquidity. First thing first. Second thing, we have this high. Then normally, as this market gave us an higher high, sorry, higher low, it's supposed to have give us another words higher high, right? But the market wasn't doing like that. But what did the market do? After this higher low, the market gave an higher high as like internal higher high, right? Then higher low, another internal higher high. Then unfortunately this market broke out from this low. So that is a choke for me. That means this price is finding difficult to continue buying. That means the price is finding it difficult to break this high. Alright, that is just the meaning. So I had this words, I had this choke. Then immediately I had that choke, I just sell immediately from my breaker block right here. Then put my stop loss just above this high. Then I target the external range liquidity. Alright, so I just target this low, easy peasy, no stress. So that was how I took this trade. Alright, so also I think I had a trade on volatility 52. I think I had a trade on volatility 50. I had a trade on it too. So 4 hours time frame, I went to 4 hours time frame, right? So there was a breakout here when I was on the chart this week. Then I go to my 1 hour time frame. Alright, so this is David synthetic indices. It's not like Forex. Alright, the way you approach this is kind of a little bit different to the way you approach Forex. Alright, so we had a liquidity here. So price has taken it out too. Then after price has taken it out, what is, I just need to wait for a confirmation entry. Then I go to 15-minute time frame to look for a confirmation entry. Easy peasy, no stress. Then what happened? We had price has been giving us higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Then we have a shift in structure here. Alright, so after that shift in structure, we had the BOS. So I even took this trade on the 5-minute time frame, but let's just make use of this 15 minutes for more and clarity. Or if I should go to 5 minutes, you guys might not really get it, but let me just go to 5 minutes. Let me just show you the way I took this trade. Alright, so I had my entry on 5-minute time frame. Okay, I had my entry on 5-minute time frame. So this was how it happened. I've already seen a choke here. Then I'm looking for a sell. Alright, so this was a liquidity for me. So price took it out on the 5-minute time frame, just like this. Then after that, I had this high. I was waiting for price to break out this high, but if I'm seeing that price is not breaking out this high and I'm seeing a confirmation, I sell immediately. So how do I sell? I saw price giving me a double bottom here, then higher high, higher low. We have another higher high here. Alright, then higher low. But unfortunately, this price is finding difficult to break out from this high. Then we see a choke. So immediately I saw this choke here. This thing is kind of rough. So immediately I saw this choke here, I sold immediately. That was a very crazy and sniper entry. Alright, so immediately I saw that choke, I just sold immediately, put my stop loss about this high, go to my higher time frame to target the external range liquidity, just as it should be. All right, so I was targeting this low just as it should be. So that is crazy, right? So that was how I took the trade. All right, that was how I took this trade. All right, so as you all can see, easy peasy, no stress. So whenever you are trading alongside with the momentum, you target the external range liquidity. But I didn't mean I'm scalping. I'll probably target 1 to 2, something like this. All right, or probably target the internal range liquidity, something like this. But because I'm trading along with the trend, so I target the external range, easy peasy, no stress. So that was how I took these trades this week. I just want to share you guys how I took 1 or 2 trades this week, and that is what I've just done. So I will be dropping trading recaps maybe once in a while for you guys to see how I took my trades, and also you can still learn from me too. All right, all these things I'm showing you guys is what I have discussed in various topics on this channel. So if you really have seen all those videos I've dropped on topics on technical analysis, this I'm doing is very simple for you, I know, right? Especially you that you are seeing this video, I know if you have seen all those videos, all these things I'm doing, you understand, right? Am I lying? You can answer me, am I lying? You can see I'm not lying, okay? But if you have not seen all the videos on this YouTube channel, definitely this is going to be very hard for you to understand. Especially, I don't know, maybe the guy beside you or maybe the girl beside you that have not seen all the videos on this YouTube channel. Definitely this thing I'm doing is going to be very hard for this kind of person to understand. So to cut the long story short, so this was all the trades I took this week. And also we are going to be doing 1 or 2 things like this. Maybe once in a while I'll be showing you a recap like I said. So don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you like this video and drop your comments. Alright, so bye.